Once upon a time, in a lush, verdant forest, a humble badger named Baxter dwelled in a cozy burrow. Baxter was a peculiar badger, known far and wide for his unyielding curiosity and daring spirit. One day, a great storm swept through the forest, causing the river to overflow its banks and flood Baxter's home. Baxter, alarmed, surveyed the devastation, his heart heavy with sorrow. The river, though angry, held a secret that Baxter could not ignore. A shimmering treasure, half buried in the riverbed, promised to restore his burrow and grant him fame among his peers. Baxter, faced with the choice between his comfort and the unknown, decided to embark on a perilous journey to retrieve the treasure. He braved the torrential waters, his spirit unbroken, his determination unwavering. The journey was long and arduous, but Baxter's resolve never wavered. He swam against the current, clawed at the riverbed, and persevered through the cold and the fatigue. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, Baxter reached the treasure. He dug it up, his heart pounding with anticipation. The treasure was not a trove of gold or jewels, but a small, ancient stone, etched with symbols of wisdom and power. Baxter, upon seeing the stone, realized that the real treasure was not in the material, but in the journey itself. The stone, when placed in his burrow, brought not wealth, but a renewed sense of purpose and a deeper understanding of the world. Baxter returned home, his burrow restored, his heart filled with newfound wisdom. He shared his tale with his fellow dwellers, inspiring them to seek knowledge and courage in their own lives. And so, Baxter, the humble badger, became a beacon of hope and wisdom in the forest, a testament to the power of courage, perseverance, and the pursuit of knowledge. The end.